Ever wondered if your money is just sitting there? Like, is it actually working for you, or is it just chilling, slowly losing value to inflation? You've probably heard of StashAway, right? The robo-advisor everyone's talking about. But one question keeps popping up: what's the actual interest rate? Or, more accurately, what kind of returns can you expect? Because, let's be real, that's what we're all here for. See, when we talk about interest rates, we often think of fixed percentages, like with a savings account. But StashAway isn't a savings account. It's an investment platform. So, instead of a fixed interest rate, we're looking at projected returns based on your risk tolerance and the market's performance. Now, StashAway uses something called ERAA, Economic Regime-Based Asset Allocation. Sounds fancy, right? Basically, it means they adjust your portfolio based on different economic conditions. They're not just throwing darts at a board, they're trying to anticipate market shifts and optimize your investments. So, how does this translate into actual numbers? Well, it depends. And that's the key. There isn't a single, universal interest rate for StashAway. Your returns will vary based on several factors. First, your risk tolerance. Are you a conservative investor, happy with smaller, steadier gains? Or are you willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher returns? StashAway offers different risk indices, from low to high, and your chosen index directly impacts your potential returns. Second, the market conditions. Global economic trends, interest rates, inflation, all these factors play a role. StashAway's ERAA is designed to navigate these changes, but it can't predict the future. No one can. Third, your investment horizon. How long are you planning to invest? Longer investment periods generally allow for more time to ride out market fluctuations and potentially achieve higher returns. To get a better idea, you can check StashAway's historical performance data. They publish their returns for different risk indices, giving you a glimpse of what's possible. However, remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. That's investment 101. Essentially, StashAway aims for long-term growth by diversifying your portfolio and adapting to market changes. They don't promise a fixed interest rate, but rather a dynamic approach to investment. They are trying to beat inflation and grow your wealth. Instead of focusing on a single number, consider StashAway as a tool for building a diversified portfolio. Think of it as investing in the market with a managed approach, rather than putting your money in a savings account. If you want a fixed rate, a savings account is your best bet. If you want growth potential, you need to understand the nuances of investment. So, instead of asking what's the interest rate, maybe ask what are the potential returns and how does StashAway manage risk? That's a more accurate and helpful question. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.